Welcome back to Jack's Lunar Tales YouTube channel. My name is Jax, and I'm thrilled to have you join us again. In our last episode, we introduced the concept of space and why it's worth exploring. If you haven't watched our first episode about space, make sure to click on the iCard to check it out. Today, we're starting right here in our own cosmic backyard, the solar system. Let's start with the question, what is at the center of our solar system? You guessed it, the sun. Now, why is the sun so significant? Simply put, it's a massive ball of gas that provides the heat and light necessary for life on Earth. It's a star, just like the countless others you see in the night sky, but to us, it's incredibly special. The sun's gravity holds the entire solar system together, and its energy drives our weather and climate. Without the sun, there would be no life on Earth. The sun is about 4.6 billion years old and is primarily composed of hydrogen about 74% and helium about 24%, with trace amounts of other elements. The core of the sun is incredibly hot, reaching temperatures of around 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. The sun is roughly 109 times the diameter of Earth and could fit about 1.3 million Earths inside it. It accounts for about 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. The sun is not just a bright spot in the sky, it is the cornerstone of our solar system. Its gravitational force keeps the planets, moons, and other objects in their orbits, maintaining the structure and order of the solar system. The sun's energy is the primary driver of weather patterns, ocean currents, and climate systems on Earth. Photosynthesis in plants, which forms the base of the food chain, relies on sunlight. Additionally, solar energy is a critical renewable energy source that can help us power our world sustainably. The sun's influence extends beyond physical warmth and light. It is fundamental to the existence and continuation of life on Earth. Let's take a tour through our solar system and explore the incredible diversity of its planets. Mercury, this rocky planet, the closest to the sun, whizzes around it at an average distance of about 36 million miles. Despite its proximity to the sun, Mercury's rotation is incredibly slow, taking about 59 Earth days to complete one rotation and about 88 Earth days to complete one orbit. It has no moons of its own. Mercury is a hotbed of extremes, with scorching daytime temperatures and frigid nights due to its lack of atmosphere. Venus, known as Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and composition, Venus orbits the Sun at an average distance of approximately 67 million miles. It completes a rotation on its axis in about 243 Earth days, but its day-night cycle is longer than its year. Venus has no moons. With its thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide, Venus experiences a runaway greenhouse effect, resulting in surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Earth, our home planet, orbits the Sun at an average distance of about 93 million miles, allowing it to maintain the perfect conditions for life as we know it. Earth rotates on its axis once every 24 hours, giving us our familiar day-night cycle, and it takes approximately 365.25 days to complete one orbit around the Sun. Earth has one moon. It is a vibrant oasis teeming with life, thanks to its moderate temperatures, liquid water, and protective atmosphere. Mars, the red planet, orbits the Sun at an average distance of roughly 142 million miles. A Martian day, known as a sol, is only slightly longer than a day on Earth, lasting about 24 hours and 39 minutes. Mars takes about 687 Earth days to complete one orbit around the Sun. It has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos. Often referred to as the red planet, Mars boasts a diverse landscape of towering volcanoes, deep canyons, and dry riverbeds, hinting at a watery past. Jupiter, this gas giant, the largest planet in our solar system, is located about 484 million miles from the Sun on average. Despite its vast distance, Jupiter spins rapidly on its axis, completing one rotation in just under 10 hours. It takes approximately 12 Earth years for Jupiter to complete one orbit around the Sun. Jupiter has a diverse array of moons, including the four largest known as the Galilean moons Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Jupiter is a colossal world of swirling clouds and raging storms, with its massive great red spot serving as a mesmerizing feature in its turbulent atmosphere. Saturn, best known for its majestic rings, Saturn orbits the Sun at an average distance of about 886 million miles. It rotates on its axis relatively quickly, with a day lasting approximately 10.7 hours. Saturn's orbit around the Sun takes about 29 Earth years to complete. Saturn has at least 82 moons, with its largest moon, Titan, being larger than the planet Mercury. Known for its dazzling ring system, Saturn is a jewel of the solar system, captivating astronomers and skywatchers alike with its stunning beauty. Uranus, this ice giant, is located about 1.8 billion miles from the Sun, making it one of the most distant planets in our solar system. Uranus rotates on its side, causing its axis to tilt at an extreme angle, resulting in unusual seasonal variations. It takes about 17.2 Earth hours for Uranus to complete one rotation on its axis and approximately 84 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Uranus has 27 known moons. Uranus spins on its side, causing its axis to tilt at a nearly 90-degree angle, resulting in extreme seasons and a unique magnetic field. Neptune, the outermost planet in our solar system, Neptune is situated approximately 2.8 billion miles from the Sun. Despite its vast distance, Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of up to 1,500 miles per hour. It takes about 16 Earth hours for Neptune to complete one rotation and approximately 165 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Neptune has 14 known moons, the largest of which is Triton. The distant ice giant is shrouded in mystery, with its deep blue coloration and violent storms adding to its enigmatic allure. Pluto, once considered the ninth planet in our solar system, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006 due to its size and orbit. Located in the distant Kuiper belt, Pluto has a highly elliptical orbit that takes it far beyond the orbit of Neptune. It has 5 known moons, the largest of which is Charon. Asteroids are rocky bodies that orbit the Sun, primarily found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. These remnants from the early solar system vary in size from small rocks to objects hundreds of kilometers across. Some asteroids have even been visited by spacecraft, providing valuable insights into the history of our solar system. Comets are icy bodies that originate from the outer reaches of the solar system. When a comet approaches the Sun, its icy surface begins to vaporize, creating a glowing coma and sometimes a tail that stretches millions of kilometers. Comets are believed to be remnants from the early solar system and may contain clues about the conditions that led to the formation of our planets. Beyond the orbit of Neptune lies the Kuiper belt, a region filled with icy bodies similar to Pluto. These objects, known as Kuiper belt objects (KBOS), offer insights into the outer regions of our solar system and may hold clues about its early history. The Oort cloud is a vast spherical region surrounding the solar system, believed to be the source of long-period comets. This theoretical cloud of icy bodies extends to distances of up to 100,000 astronomical units off from the Sun and is thought to contain billions of objects. Okay, let's finish up our tour of the solar system. We've traveled from the super hot Mercury to the freezing Neptune, seeing all the planets with their own cool features and moons. But the solar system isn't just about planets, it's also got dwarf planets like Pluto, rocky asteroids, icy comets, and mysterious objects in the Kuiper belt. Everything, including the Sun, sticks together because of its strong pull, making a kind of dance in space. So what's a solar system? It's like a big group of stuff from the Sun to the Kuiper belt, objects all going around the Sun in a sort of space dance. Think of it as a busy neighborhood in space where everyone has a job to do. As we keep learning more about our solar system, we understand more about where we fit in the universe and how many different types of worlds there are. From the hot Sun to the faraway Kuiper belt, each new thing we find tells us more about how amazing our cosmic home is. Now, with all the info from the Sun to the Kuiper belt objects, you've got a better idea of what the solar system is and all the awesome stuff it has. In our space journey, we've learned about the bright Sun and how it keeps life going, importance of the Sun, Then we visited the 8 planets, each with cool things to discover. We even checked out Pluto, a small planet, and other stuff like rocks, icy comets, and objects in space belts. This trip helped us see how our solar system works and all the amazing things it has to offer. In the next episode, we'll dive into the mysteries of Earth and our fascinating moon. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare for an exhilarating journey through the cosmos. Let's embark on this adventure together. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest episodes. See you in the next video.